welcome to the vlog where I'm going to show you guys how I do my in-home sleep consultations. Now, currently I'm still trying to get the dye off of around my head because I dyed my hair yesterday. Literally matched my hair color and put in, I don't know if you can see, I put in a couple pops pink to match Kaya because she wanted them too, and just got rid of the grays. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how I do an in-home sleep consultation. Yeah. One thing I always do, this is not gonna be what you think, but one thing I always do when I go to an in-home consultation is I bring layers, because if you're the type of person who is like me and you're either really hot or you're really cold, you want the option to be comfortable. So if you feel like you're gonna be one way or the other, go err on the side of caution and just bring stuff. Make yourself at home. These people are inviting you into their house, so make yourself cozy. We're good to go. Now, in terms of other things that I pack, I like to bring my planner so that when the baby is sleeping and I have some downtime, I can organize anything that I need for just work in general. And of course, I'm gonna bring my laptop because all of my resources are on there. So it's important that I bring my laptop, my charger, and my external hard drive. Cannot live without this thing, seriously. And then also I bring my client notebook, which is kind of just a journal that I keep about each individual child, so that I'm more of a pen and paper person. So I don't like to always have digital notes. So I'm gonna pack up those things, and then I'm also bringing my YouTube filming script. These are all my scripts that I've used in the past couple months. When I go through these notebooks, I kind of just put them away and then get out a new one and then script new videos. But anyways, while the baby is sleeping, if I am done organizing my week with my planner and such, I will pull this out and start scripting some videos, because Wednesdays are my filming days, so I can get a little bit ahead. Now, different in-home consultations can be completely different just depending on what the parents are comfortable with and how hands-on they want to be. I prefer having the parents completely do the bedtime routine on their own. I don't need to be a part of it because it's kind of their intimate moment with their child before bedtime. But then once the parents leave the room and it's go time for actual sleep training, then I want them skedaddle. Sometimes they are good with watching on the monitor from a different part of the house. Sometimes they're good with going for a drive, and other times they want to be there for every second of it, which is fine. Most of the time, a lot of sleep training is really training the parents on giving the kid a couple minutes so that they can actually fall asleep independently. So sometimes we just have to tell them to go away. But what I like to do is I like to do the first couple rounds of sleep training myself, and they can watch, they can ask questions, whatever they want to do, but I like to do it myself and then integrate the parents into the process, so that obviously when I'm not there the next night, the parents can also do the sleep training themselves and know exactly what to do. So they've had me model it for them, and now tomorrow night or maybe the rest of tonight, they're gonna go in and do it themselves. It's kind of a process that I gauge by each individual family and how hands-on they wanna be while I'm there. All right, so I've got my backpack. I feel like Mary Poppins because I've got my bag of stuff, and I'm gonna head downstairs and show you guys actually my favorite thing that I bring to my consultations. Hey, okay, so, I'm a little stuck here. I have a bin of in-home consultation items. Gotta put you a little higher here. Is that gonna work? Sure. All right, so I've got my bin of goodies. Some of this stuff is my mailing items, and it goes to pediatricians' offices and such, and some of it comes to in-home consultations. So we're putting together a little gift bag for this family, and I'm going to pull out one of my many cards that I already have prepped. So this is a thank you card thanking the family for selecting me as their sleep consultant, allowing me to come in their home and all the things. Just thank you, and I'm excited to help your family blossom. So I'm gonna sign this, personalize it a little bit, pop it in the bag, and I'll show you what else I'm gonna put in. All right, the next thing that's really important to do is spend some time with your own kids. Not yet, Kaya. Spend some time with your own kids before you leave to go work for the night. All right, we're ready.
Introducing Kaya Yellow.
Ooh, yeah. Make your way down the stairs. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's not the right music, is it? Something that I do every time is I have either a coffee or this is a V8 Energy, but you never know if it's dark, if it's going to be a very late night. So I will caffeinate, and I will either live to regret it and take Benadryl when I get home, or I will be happy that I have more energy to last who knows how long. I am assuming I will be there between, I'll probably be leaving around midnight, because this case specifically, I know I'm going to be hanging out until the baby wakes up after like the first sleep cycle or two, and help them through one of their night wakings. So I will be there a little bit longer this time. All right, introducing Joshua. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, woo! Love you. Whew. Here we go. It is so hot in here. It's getting hot in here. Oh, it would help if I brought keys with me. I gotta go get the keys. And now we can go. Whew. Let's go. Pop in directions. Okay, so the next step when preparing for an in-home consultation is to hype yourself up. So what I generally do is I turn on Pandora, and my favorite station is Girl Power Radio. So
It's just a cat and mouse game, always starts the same. First we're both down a plate, and somehow you go astray. We went from nothing to something, like in a love it. It was us against the world, and now we just fucking. It's like I love you so much, and now I just hate you.
all right, we are here. Let's do this. This is not going to be the best angle, and it's not going to be the best color, but I hear footsteps upstairs. It's just after midnight, and I just got home. The consultation was great. Really great parents, great kid, great family, everything. We had a little bit of a rough start at the beginning of bedtime, so I guess I'll back up and say that a lot of times when I go to an in-home, I'm pointing out sleepy cues, and I'm pointing out when the baby is actually tired, and the parents are always surprised because it's generally a solid hour before the baby typically goes to bed. But that's like basically the whole issue, is that a lot of babies are chronically overtired because they're not on the right wake windows or schedules. And then they also like pair that with not having self-soothing skills, and it's not always the best recipe. Hey, kitty, kitty. I am gonna head to bed, but we will chat more tomorrow. And obviously, like, I can't film an entire like in-home consultation while I'm working because I'm working. But I would love to fill in some blanks of questions that anybody has about either hiring an in-home sleep consultant, or if you're a sleep consultant and you're thinking about doing in-homes, let me know in the comments what kind of questions you have, and hopefully I can answer them.